Hey, what's up guys, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we are designing a simple practice object. This is a very simple object. Let's start. If you are new in our family, then subscribe my channel. So firstly, this is our SolidWorks interface. Firstly go to the new, then go to the part, select all the planes and click on show. Select the front plane. This is our object. This is very simple object. Firstly go to the line command and draw the line, then give the smart dimension to that line as 100 mm. Then draw the vertical line. Firstly we need to draw the profile of the object only, and then we can give the dimensions to that profile. So I'm just drawing the profile and now I'm giving the dimension to it. So vertical length as 20 mm and left side length as 80 mm, top side length as 30 mm. Now go to the exit sketch. Now go to the extruded boss and select the extruded length as 50 mm and click on OK. Now we need to select the front face of the object and click on sketch. Now we need to draw the slot. So firstly select the line command and draw the simple horizontal line and give the dimension as 30 mm. Now we need to draw the distance from the end point as 20 mm. Now we need to draw the taper lines by using the end point of that lines. So draw the horizontal line at the top side. Now we need to draw the taper lines. So firstly draw the taper line and give the dimension in the form of angle. So let me choose the line and the baseline and give the dimension as 45-degree angle. Similarly to the left side of the object, draw the taper line and give the dimension which is in the angle form as 45-degree. Give the dimension from the vertical line to the bottom face of the object as 10 mm and extend the line and trim the remaining portion, so we'll get the object. Now our sketch is complete. Then go to the exit sketch, go to the extruded cut, select through all, click on OK. Now we need to draw the half circle extrude cut. So select the top face of the object, then draw the arc by using center point arc. draw the arc and give the dimension as 15 mm, that is R15, and connect the 2 points or the remaining 2 points of the arc. Then go to the extrude cut, select through all and click on OK. Now our rib is balanced, so we need to create a plane. So go to the reference geometry, select the plane, select the face of the object and give the proper distance of the center, that is 25 mm. Only we need to offset the flip the offset. So click on flip offset and click on OK. So select plane 1 and click on sketch and draw the point to point line and connect the remaining points and exit sketch. Then go to the extrude boss. Rib length, total rib length is 10, so we need to take the dimension in the direction 1 as 5 mm and in the direction 2 as 5 mm, so it will complete as 10 mm. Now our sketch is complete. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel for more content like that.